So look at this note that you got in your seminar, or let's say you're attending this Sunday's class, then you should have these notes, okay? If you don't have, you can refer back to your normal class notes. I believe you all will have the notes, okay? It's either from seminar, from normal class, or the March one, okay? So this one is in page 45. Don't worry, I'm not going to explain everything. I will just repeat one more time to tell you what is important, what are the things that you have to memorize. Okay, so in the page 45, food additive, the most important part is the type. Type means you have to remember the name, the preservative, antioxidant, flavoring agent, thickening agent, stabilizer, emulsifier, and dyes. So there are how many of them? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven types of food additive. The name must remember. And then example also have to remember. So that means it is like after this class, I will give you an exercise to do. You can try to do the exercise, okay? And most of the exercise, the answer can be found in all these important parts that I tell you now, okay? Example again, preservative. Remember, when you see the word sodium, when you see the word sodium, sodium nitrate, nitrite, benzoate or benzoate, they are preservative. Okay, these are the ones that you have to remember. Okay, sodium or benzo. So what is the function? This one don't have to remember. You just have to remember the general uses, the general function of the substance. Like for example, preservative is to slow down or prevent the growth of microorganisms. So you remember the type, the general function, and then the example, just like that. Okay, side effect later in the question we will go through a bit. Okay, antioxidant to prevent oxidation or rancid fats. Example is like vitamin. So just now was sodium and benzo. Now it's all kind of vitamin. Flavoring agent. Flavoring agent. MSG from Uncle Roger. And then this one is one of the most important example for flavoring agent. They always come out this one. Aspartame is used to replace the normal sugar. So diabetes patient would take this aspartame. Okay, what is the purpose of flavoring agent? Improve the taste of the food. Thickening agent, thicken the food like what? Starch. Starch. Or gum. Agar, jelly, gelatin. So jelly, chewing gum, starch, which is pearl, the one, the drinks you order from Tea Life, okay, it has pearl, then it has starch. So thickening agent, stabilizer, and emulsifier, they both are very similar. And this lecithin can actually be used in emulsifier and also stabilizer. This example, lecithin, it can be used in both. Okay, what is the difference between stabilizer and emulsifier? So emulsifier is to separate oil, not separate. Water and oil, they always separate, right? We want things that cannot be mixed together to mix together, which is, I want water and oil. This is water. And then I want the oil to mix like that perfectly. I need emulsifier. Okay, it's like we shake the water bottle that contains oil. They will form oil droplets like this. But after a while, they will just separate into 2 layers. Then this time, we need stabilizer to stabilize them. Okay, so when they ask you stabilizer, most likely they will write this uniform and smooth texture. So stabilizer is to give smooth texture. Okay. Emulsifier is to mix two immersible liquids. Lastly, dyes is to give color to the food. Okay, just like that. For medicine wise, traditional medicine, if really come up, by the way, let me tell you what, I think this chapter 5 has quite a high chance to come out in your SEM. So must do all these food additive medicine. So it came out in the past 2 years already. So I think the chances of coming out so will be quite small. It will be more on medicine, food additive, or maybe your cosmetic for chapter 5. Remember, so it's an important chapter. It's an important chapter. Traditional medicine, usually they come out only like 1 mark to 3 marks only. And the example they come up always is like this two. Lemongrass, and also lemongrass, I write down here, lemongrass. Lemongrass, aloe vera, ginger. Ginger remove wind from your stomach. Okay, aloe vera, you apply it on your skin, and lemongrass can let's say you have cough, okay, or maybe headache. I think you can use lemongrass. Drink the lemongrass water. Modern medicine, type also very important. Analgesic is painkiller. Example that always come out in exam is this two. Comparison between aspirin and paracetamol. They are the same thing. It's just that aspirin is acidic in nature. So it cannot be given to gastric patients or for gastric patients or children, they can get stomach ulcer, or you can just say irritate the stomach. Okay, stomach ulcer, internal bleeding also can, because very acidic now. Then together with the gastric, the acid in your stomach, it can hurt your stomach and then until it bleeds, so internal bleeding. Codeine, normal, not very important. Anti-microbials, okay, this one is also one of the very hot one, popular answer needed for question. Anti-microbials. Inside the anti-microbials, we have antibiotics. Not very hard because since more we all take antibiotics. Remember one example. See which one you prefer. If you prefer penicillin, then you remember this one. Let's say my type, I like streptomycin because I think it sounds like streptomycin. Okay, I like it. Okay, I think it's easier for me to spell as well. Then I stick to streptomycin. It is to kill bacteria. Antibiotic is to kill bacteria or treat lung disease, pneumonia, TB. Okay. Antiseptic is used externally on the skin. Antiseptic, before injection, sample that one. And then disinfectant is used to clean the floor one, mop the floor. So two different things. Normally, they only ask the type, okay, like antimicrobials. Of course, you have to know when they give you antiseptic, it is under microbials. Sorry, let me. Psychotic drugs. Psychotic drugs. Anything to do with mental illness. Psychotic drugs. Treat mental illness. Example, remember one, maybe haloperidol. It's like Panadol and then got halo. Okay. So for those people who see illusion, they take this haloperidol. Psychotic drugs. Anti-allergies. if you have rashes where runny nose, itchiness, or rashes on the skin, we apply anti-allergies. Antihistamine. Okay. Yes, barbituric and the tranquilizer, they are synthetic drugs. Corticosteroid is for more serious punya allergy. It's like eczema. Okay, when you have inflammation, so corticosteroid is for inflamed area. Inflammation is like the part already. Allergy is like maybe it just rashes and then red color like that. And then corticosteroid is used when the skin has already started to like maybe peeled off and then got blood, this and that. Then you use this stronger method. Okay. Most important one, analgesic, anti-microbials, psychotic drugs, anti-allergies. Corticosteroid, so lah, okay. Last, cosmetic. Cosmetic, please remember, there are 3 types of cosmetic: for makeup, for treatment, and fragrance. It is like before you go out, what you do, you put, after you take a bath, you put moisturizer, this and that treatment. And then you put makeup, and then fragrance, your perfume or what. Okay, so these 3 types. Remember, makeup, treatment, fragrance. And then, what are the basic ingredients used in cosmetic products? As I told you, they are very similar to food additive. If you can't remember, or never mind, go for dyes, same as food preservative. Food additive, preservatives, thickener, emulsifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, got 4 already. Okay. Water, fragrance, moisturizer. If you cannot remember that, I think it's okay. So cosmetic is a product used externally with the purpose to cleanse, protect, and enhance one's appearance. Last, I think this will come out as a K-but. I mean, like this is like the favorite type of K-but. They will ask you why this auntie use homemade cosmetic. Reason is low cost. At least remember 2, low cost, free from harmful chemical. Okay, or easy to produce. At least 2. And then for the disadvantage of commercial cosmetic, it's like opposite, got harmful chemical. Don't write high cost, of course. Okay, harmful side effect. At least 2. And then these harmful chemicals, what are the type example of harmful chemicals? Mercury, one of the favorite. Mercury. It causes skin irritation. All this like what, and damage to the kidney and nervous system is if absorbed into the bloodstream. If you cannot remember, it's okay. Because I know you have a lot of things to memorize. Go for skin irritation. Irritate the skin is very good enough already. And this what hydroquinone, hypersensitive skin. High and high lah, hypersensitive. And then betamethasone valerate, also skin irritation. So these 2 are skin irritation. Hydro is hypersensitive skin, and tretinoin is redness and peeling skin. But of course, if you can't remember in exam, it is just 1 mark. They don't ask you a lot. They won't ask you a lot for this part. It's like 1 mark or maybe 2 marks only. Okay. So when they ask side effect, you forgot already, you just throw in skin irritation and pray. Okay, just like that. So let's look at the questions. So I have prepared some questions here to go through. All these are the past years. Objective level a lot. Objective, no a lot one. This kind of question usually in objective also like one question only, like one or maybe two. So here, question 1, you see, state the meaning of cosmetic. So what is cosmetic? Products that is used externally with the purpose to cleanse and what? Other than cleanse? Enhance appearance. Okay. Protect. Yeah. So, but of course, definition, as I said, if you can't do definition, it's okay. Just give it. State 2 basic ingredients of cosmetic product. Basic ingredient is the same like food additive. So, dyes. Takkan you put flavoring, right? Okay, so it can be dyed. What else? Your facial product inside sure got? Yeah, water. Okay, good. And then what else? Emulsifier. Yes, emulsifier. And then thickener. Okay, good. Good, just like that. Later, I will straight away give you this answer. Question with answer so you can just read. And then I also will prepare another set that you can do it yourself. Okay. All are past years. Okay. You will see a lot of examples inside. And then plastic bottles and nylon are example of product made from polymer. This one, I think we will do it in the next class. State 2 types of polymer. What are the 2 types of polymer? Plastic bottle and nylon. We have 3 types of polymer. What are the 3 types of polymer? What are the 3 types of polymer? Well, you all haven't studied one. Thermal setting polymer, yes. Thermoplastic, yes. And elastomer. It's okay, I will do this with you, okay, in the next class. Yeah. Then here they ask what is meant by cosmetic again. Cleanse, protect, and enhance one's appearance. Small characteristic. Where? Which one characteristic? So long the characteristic. Which one? You mean the answer is characteristic? No, all these are the 3 types of polymer. Natural and synthetic is the source of polymer. Natural, it comes from natural, it comes from synthetic. So here, state 1 example of harmful chemical in cosmetic that can cause redness and peeling skin. See, the reason why I don't give you the notes is I want you to answer like now. Redness and peeling skin. Wow, very good. The tretinoin. 1 mark lor. If you cannot do that, it's okay lah. But hopefully they come up something easy like mercury lah. Must be specific, yes. When they say peeling skin and redness, then you have to give this one. Okay? Yeah. Then what is this? The doctor advised me to take corticosteroids, but the medicine cause high blood pressure. And then this girl say, why don't you use traditional medicine to overcome the problem? So give 1 example of traditional medicine that can be used by this person to and describe how to use it. Okay, wait, about skin itchiness treatment. Skin itchiness. Ginseng cannot lah. Apply externally, yes. Aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera. How to use aloe vera? Your skin very itchy. How you use the aloe vera? Cut it. Okay, I don't have to be so detailed. So you don't have to tell me, okay, first we cut it and then we wash and then no need. Okay, you just rub. Yes, just rub. Rub the transparent thing is called gel. Yes, you rub the aloe vera gel on the skin. That's all. So this kind of question is quite, when you ask about traditional, it's quite common sense, and then you can actually give your own answer one. Even if you say you cut and put the liquid on your hand, also can. Okay. Modern and traditional medicine can both treat same illness, although the efficiency level may differ. Why? So they can also ask you difference between modern medicine and traditional medicine. So the difference between modern and traditional medicine is modern medicine are derived from chemical. Traditional medicine is come from plants or animal. But of course, this is not the answer. I'm just telling you the extra information. So now they're asking you like why both are medicine, but then the efficiency level is different. Okay, so other than this, the difference between chemical, plants, and animal, yes, you can say there's no specific dosage or amount to be used for the traditional medicine. We do know, yes, the proper measurement. Yes, you can give your own answer here, or you can just say that modern medicine are tested through clinical trials and prove effective. So before they give modern medicine, they sell the modern medicine, they will do tests and experiment to make sure the things works. Okay, so you can write this as your answer. Modern medicine got is proven effective, but traditional medicine got no proven efficiency one. It's just like from what people say, there's no clinical trials. Most of them doesn't have it. Like they tell you that you eat ginseng is good for your body, but no one knows. Okay, yeah. So this one and then the other one is opposite lah. I will give you the answer. Don't worry. Circle the part of soap and iron that is soluble in water. So remember, this is the sperm. The negative head is soluble in water. So I circle up this part, COO minus, and this part that dissolves in water is called which part? It is called the hydrophilic part. Yes, very good. One L, the hydrophilic part. How come still wrong one? Hydrophilic. 1L or double? 1L. Okay. So next, one advantage of nanotech application in cosmetic in diagram 2.2. So again, what cheap nanotech. When we talk about nanotech, nano means small. Yeah, small. Small means for medicine, for things that apply on your skin, they will be easier to absorb by your body, or you can say easier to penetrate into your skin. Okay, can Then other types of nanotech is like microchips and semiconductor. These are like the two most important ones. Even in agriculture, they ask you why we use nanotech in agriculture. Then you can say fertilizer in smaller size is easier to absorb by the plants. Like that. Nanotech, don't know important or not. I don't think so, but I do know. Okay, I don't dare to say it won't come out later. It come out and die. Okay. Mercury is widely used in cosmetic product. Side effect of mercury. What is that? Yes, skin irritation. skin irritation. Yeah, next. One application of nanotech in daily life other than in cosmetic, is used to make or produce semiconductor and microchips, like that. Fertilizer also can, medicine also can. Okay. Hi, what page is this? Just now went to toilet. Hello, you doesn't have this page. This one, later I will send in the Google Classroom, okay, with answer. Wait, it's like after almost 30 minutes already, you ask me which page. Okay, question 4. Okay, that means just now you are watching in toilet, okay? Okay, yeah, this question 4, you see, this one shows a ginger. Okay. Can be used as a traditional medicine. So they ask you, which part is the main source of medicine? Ginger, yes, part R. What illness can be cured by using ginger? Ginger can, yes, remove wind in the stomach. Release wind also can, or gas also can. You want to write wind or gas? It's betul-betul wind. The textbook write wind, then you write wind. How is ginger used to treat the illness? How like, okay, how you think, okay, all this traditional medicine. Now you want to remove wind. Yes, correct, Yashin. Yes, how cha, yes, boil the ginger and then drink ginger water, correct. Nobody eat the ginger like that one. Where got people eat ginger like that one? The answer is really you boil it, then you drink the ginger. Yes, boil it and drink. That's the answer. I skip lah, okay? Boil it and drink the ginger water. That's really how it is used, okay? If they ask you ginseng, same thing, you just boil it in water, then you drink. Eat, I don't know if people eat ginseng like that. No? Okay, then here, function of 3 types of medicine. Prevent pain, yes, analgesics. Kill or prevent the reproduction of bacteria, yes, anti-microbials. Changes the emotion and behavior of patient. Yes, psychotic drugs. Okay lah. A patient treated by medicine of type Y must complete all the supply given by the doctor. This is like one of the favorite questions. Why you have to always finish the antibiotic or the antimicrobials? It is to make sure all the bacteria are killed. What happens if the bacteria are not killed? Yes, very good. Bacteria may become immune to the antibiotic. Okay, and then since they want 2 marks, right? And then not all bacteria, not all the bacteria are killed, and the disease may recur. Yes, Sushant, very good. Yeah. Or you can also say a stronger or a higher dosage of antibiotic is needed. If your bacteria grows stronger, you need something stronger to kill the stronger bacteria. Okay. Then next, what does it mean by cosmetic and what types of cosmetic is used in moisturizer? Okay, now they're asking you types. We skip the definition. Types of cosmetic in moisturizer. We got treatment, we got makeup, we got fragrance. Moisturizer is for treatment, yes, treatment, cosmetic. Okay, which moisturizer is safe to be used by one city? 100% aloe vera gel, coconut oil, mercury, potassium carbonate. So obviously this one, homemade, of course, easy, right? Okay. But then why? Explain your answer. You see, 4 marks. You have to give 4 marks. Why? Why use homemade that one? Because yes, free from harmful chemical. Low cost, yes, Bandai, low cost, easy, low cost. Easy to produce, also can, easy to produce. Okay, and then this one, supermarket, moisturizer may contain harmful chemical. Okay, it can cause side effect like that. So the two I asked you to remember just now, the mercury can cause skin irritation. Yes, very good. Most of these medicine, cosmetic things, they can accept answer that's out of the book as long as it is acceptable. Okay, next. So acid lemak, nyatakan fatty acid X. This is a fatty acid. I don't think fat will come up, but then since it's here, it reacts with glycerol to produce a type of fat. State the type of fat. We have 2 types of fat. We have 2 types of fat and also 2 types of fatty acid. This one got double bond. What is called unsaturated. Yes. So when glycerol is something like this, glycerol. So when it's like a jellyfish, and the jellyfish has double bond, that means unsaturated, combined with glycerol, then the fats produced will be unsaturated fats. Fat produced is easily oxidized. Why? Why is it easily oxidized? Because got double bond. And then it can react with oxygen easily because got empty space, the oxygen can masuk very easily. So not very hard one. Okay, next. Label found on ice cream. Got cream. Okay, what do you want? State the type and the function of each food additive. Sorry, name 2 food additives found on the label. So 2 food additives. Sunset yellow, flavor, lecithin. They want to know the type and also function. What is the type of food additive for sunset yellow? Yes, dye. Food colorings also can. Flavor, yeah, of course, flavoring lah. Lecithin, lecithin, you can write. Yes, you can write emulsifier. You can also write stabilizer. Either one of them. Stabilizer or emulsifier. So they want to know the function. What is the function of color? Color is to enhance the visual appearance. You don't want to write the word visual also can. Improve the appearance of the food. It looks nice. You can also write make food looks nicer. Also can. Flavoring, make your food taste better. Improve the taste of food. Yes, correct. Stabilizer is to give smooth texture. Yes, very good. Smooth texture. Smooth. Emulsifier is to emulsify to, yes, immiscible liquid. Let's say you forgot to spell this word. You can say emulsify two liquid that cannot be mixed together. Also can. Then what they want? Justify the use of food additive by giving one advantage and one disadvantage. What is the advantage? All these functions are advantage. Better appearance, taste better, last longer. Disadvantage of food additive, cause cancer, yes, cause cancer. Or you give example like hyperactive, diabetes, cause various types of side effect, allergy reaction, yes. Okay, just any of the bad thing of about food additive. So here it comes again. Aloe vera its juice is used to treat skin wounds and burns. State the name of traditional medicine X and Y. So what is X? Remove wind. Okay, ginger. Hey, if I don't know, you help me. I don't know because I never go through the question one. I haven't do the answer yet, so I don't know whether I can answer or not. Used to treat flu. This one. Lemongrass. Lemongrass is called lemongrass. Okay. Lemongrass. Flu, I don't know. Wait. Lemongrass, I know it's cough lah, but this one is, as I remember, is garlic. Garlic. Lemongrass is for cough, headache. If the burn is not treated properly, it may get infection and become worse. If the person is brought to clinic, state the type of medicine prescribed by the doctor and state the function of the medicine. Will they ask about Tongkat Ali? I don't know. Infection. They say if you don't do it properly, you will get infection. Not inflammation. If it's not inflammation, don't use corticosteroid. Only inflammation, you use corticosteroid. Infection. Infection. Infection is actually, yes, bacteria infection. So we use anti-microbials. If you write antibiotic, also can. Okay, state the function. The function is to, antibiotic is to prevent, or you can say, prevent the growth of bacteria or kill bacteria. Retard the growth of bacteria also can. Okay. State the what? Type of medicine. Okay. Next, analgesic, relieve pain without causing numbness. Example, so paracetamol lah. And then Q, penicillin, and streptomycin, they are psychotic drugs. Wait, what am I doing? Sorry. Sorry. Anti-microbials, sorry. Then chlorpromazine is used to treat psychiatric illness. So this one will be the psychotic drugs. Psychotic drugs. Okay. Then this mom, what is she doing? 2 food additives to improve the appearance of the cake. So what she said, the texture of the cake is not smooth and less attractive. Yes, so we can apply stabilizer to give a smooth texture. Yes, and dye to improve the appearance of the cake. Okay, so pretty easy. This what are they doing? Doctor, what is the result of X-ray? Oh, I see. So how should I what that? Hey Ali, hey Encik Ali, from your scan, it seems that you have bacteria infection in your lung. Kill bacteria, okay, kill bacteria. Kill bacteria, good. Example of antibiotic, penicillin or streptomycin. Aspirin, take the type of medicine for aspirin and paracetamol, analgesic. Aspirin cannot be given to child. Give a reason. Yes, you have to tell me the side effect. Why cannot be given to children? Yes, it is acidic and it can cause internal bleeding. Stomach ulcer also can. Okay. So next, aspirin and penicillin. We've still got 10 more pages to go. Type of medicine. This is analgesic. This is anti-microbials. Why medicine A should be taken after meal? Because it is acidic. Yeah, so this is the one. So you have to know when to write acidic in nature and then when to write cause internal bleeding. Okay, yes. So what I would say is it is acidic, which can irritate an empty stomach, like that. Or you can say cause internal bleeding also can. What will happen if patient does not complete the whole course of the bacteria may become immune to the antibiotic? So you see, very similar one. All the questions, all these I pass here. They are repeating the same thing. So you have to know the things they will ask you. And then you read that part, you memorize that part. 2 types of food additive obtained in the ingredients. Let me see. Lecithin, artificial flavor, baking soda, actually salt, sugar, salt also can. So 2 types of food additives. It can be stabilizer, emulsifier, flavoring. You see this question. Diabetic patients are advised not to consume too much sugar. State the name of food additives that can be used to replace sugar. Yes, aspartame. Function of lecithin dalam ramuan. Smooth surface, smooth texture. Stevia can. You can write stevia as well. For this one, it gives a smooth texture, or you can say the function is to emulsify 2 liquids that cannot be mixed together. Some people have allergy to peanuts. One of the symptoms is itching. I don't know how to pronounce this word, around the mouth and throat. What is the type of medicine can be prescribed by a doctor? Allergy. We give anti-allergies, correct? Allergy, then we give anti-allergies. Okay. What is your suggestion to overcome the allergy problem? So you as the doctor, you see this patient now having allergies. So you give them medicine, and then what is your advice? Avoid eating those food. Yes, correct. So avoid eating those food. So this is like, quite common sense. If you're allergic, you don't eat. Okay, next. But of course, it also accepts other answer as long as it is reasonable. Okay, next. State 2 of its usage. This is lemongrass. Lemongrass are not green onion. Can be used traditionally to cure illness. 2 usage. Lemongrass can boost immune system. I don't know if can, then I don't know anyway. I only know it can treat cough, I think, and headache. If I'm not mistaken, I forgot already. Stomach ache. Can lah, okay, can lah, okay, can lah, immune system, boost your immune system, okay. That one is ginseng, isn't it? Okay, never mind, okay, I don't know. Used in cooking. Prevent cancer, yeah, meh? I don't know lah, okay, yeah, okay, then you write prevent cancer, okay. Actually, you cannot write cooking, because cure illness, cure illness. Okay. So, Faris got flu, headache, and heavy cough after return from Korea, GG. He went for a swab test for coronavirus was negative. He's lying. Okay, the doctor prescribed him an antibiotic, which he must complete them in a week. What is the function of antibiotic? Why he must complete the course? Yeah, that's the same thing lah. Make sure all the bacteria are killed, otherwise they become immune to the antibiotic. You see, sodium benzoate. Got benzo, must be preservative. Yes. MSG. If you do know this one, you're so weak. What's that? Flavoring. The king of flavor. This one is okay. Then ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid in your bio is what? Like vitamin, right? Vitamin is antioxidant. Easy. So they ask you how sodium benzoate works. So they're asking you how preservative work. It prevent or slow down growth of microorganisms. Yeah, easy. Just give the general function. What is the side effect of MSG on human health? MSG, high blood pressure. Okay, what else? Thirsty. Okay, headache, cancer. Kidney failure. Okay, can write. Everything can write. Okay, thirsty. Cancer. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, thirsty, kidney failure. All this can write lah. What is the function of? Make sure the answer you write really got like in the book one. You don't simply write something. What is the function of food additive? What is that? Is that antioxidant to prevent rancid fat? Or you can say prevent oxidation of food. Also can. Antioxidant, prevent oxidation. Banana ice cream, got such thing one, man? Non-fat milk, fat, sugar, lecithin. A lot. Looks good. Name the compound which is used as a stabilizer. Lecithin, soy lecithin. Non-fat milk, then add fat. I also do know. Correct. Smart. Okay. What will happen to ice cream when the compound 3B1 is not added? When you don't add stabilizer, what happens? No smooth texture. Yeah, correct. Good. Really, I'm not kidding. No smooth texture, or you can see the texture is not smooth. Yeah. One of the ingredients in the ice cream is not suitable for a diabetic patient. Sugar, then we change it to aspartame. Sugar, change it to aspartame. Easy. Then what is this? Paracetamol, aspirin. By the way, I teach you how to read this diagram. I teach you how to read this diagram. All these things is called H. All this H of the what is called hexagon. Okay, is actually carbon. So this thing is actually C double bond O, single bond OH. So COOH is what functional group? Functional group. Carboxyl, yes. Carboxyl group. Carboxyl is from carboxylic acid. So that means it's acidic. And then all this is like carbon. Carbon. Okay. Carbon. So a patient who is suffering from fever informed that the doctor that she also has gastric pattern, paracetamol. Why? Because this thing is acidic, cause internal bleeding, stomach ulcer, same thing. Sometimes the doctor also prescribes this patient with streptomycin. Have to finish. Why finish? Kill the bacteria. Okay. Oh, GG, this one. Clove and hibiscus tree are used in traditional medicine. Clove can be used to reduce toothache. Okay. State the use of hibiscus tree in a traditional medicine. Good memory power. Really? I think I saw it in the textbook before, but I don't know. Let me guess. Okay, see. Okay, let's say I do know. Okay, I give them this 1 mark. Okay, later I find the answer for you. Clove can be used to reduce toothache. So that means treat inflammation. Okay, lower blood pressure. Okay, thanks. Reduce inflammation. So you see, let's say in exam, we really do know how to do this one. It's okay, 1 mark. They won't ask you 10 marks traditional medicine one, I believe. I'm using textbook now, but no hibiscus. Got one link one. You have to use that link of the QR code. Only then you get extra traditional medicine. Type of modern medicine for clove, toothache, analgesic. I think there's one place got link one. Later I show you all. State a modern medicine they can replace clove, paracetamol. One side effect, overdose of paracetamol. If you eat a lot of Panadol, what you get? Liver damage. Liver damage. Paracetamol, Panadol, liver damage. Okay, they are having meeting and they say, the doctor gave me medicine K to relieve my pain, analgesic, coughing for 3 weeks, gave me medicine L and asked me to take full course. The paracetamol say, the book say aspirin can treat toothache, but paracetamol don't have. Can also. As long as relief pain, or as long as it is relief pain, then you can use any of the aspirin or paracetamol. Okay, because if you eat Panadol, having toothache also can one. It also works one. So there's anti-microbials. The doctor looked sad and depressed. Doctor gave her medicine, and this one will be psychotic drugs. Yes. One example, okay, we want to give example, analgesic paracetamol, antimicrobial streptomycin, psychotic drugs, haloperidol. Yeah, easy. Then also, if you know tranquilizer, you can also write this one. Analgesic, relief pain, paracetamol, penicillin, antimicrobials, chlorpromazine, psychotic drugs. Okay, done. Wait, I think how come this one looks very similar one? Antidepressant also can. Oh, the question looks same only. Okay, what? Okay, last 2 questions already. My son, A and B, constant fever for several days already. How old is he? Six years old. Paracetamol. You see, I also can become doctor lah. Paracetamol. Or itchy rash on eggmouth skin. Rashes. So skin itchy. Want to makan rotan already, this boy. So we give rotan lah. Anti-allergies. Example would be the antihistamine. Histamine. Yeah. STA. What? Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry. Oh, okay. Well, you can read my handwriting very good. Okay, and there. Okay, then oh shit. Aloe Vera. State one of its function and how it used. I applied or drug on the wound. Can they use corticosteroid also? Got say inflammation or not? No, then cannot. Only inflammation we use corticosteroid. Skin got inflammation, then we use corticosteroid. Apply on wound, burns, or skin, okay? How to use? Boil it with water and drink the water. Just kidding, wait. You rub the gel on the wound, not. That one is ginger. Inflammation. Fever antibiotic. Suggest the correct usage of antibiotic. So they ask about antibiotic, then we simply give one more streptomycin, and then we have to finish all the antibiotics. Okay. Okay. We say antibiotic, then antibiotic. Yeah. So last paracetamol, Barbie. By the way, Barbie is for the psychotic drugs. Barbie and the tranquilizer is the same thing. Function of medicine stated in A1. Relieve pain without causing unconsciousness. Okay, and then depression we give Barbie. Infection of bacteria we give penicillin. Relief pain will do actually. Last, tomato sauce, tasty and lasts long. Strawberry ice cream, tasty and smooth. So what do you want? Type of food additive for tomato sauce. Tomato, sugar, salt, artificial color, food additive feed. It want it to last long. Yes, preservatives. And then smooth stabilizer. Function of P or prevent growth of microorganisms. Yeah. Then last, should food additive be used in daily life? Should we use no? Why say no? Say yes lah, of course, yes. Because food can last longer, tastier, it tastes better, it looks better, easier to write. I know lah, eating fruit additives is not good, but in exam we go for the answer that we can write a lot, we can explain a lot. But of course you can say no lah, okay? You can say no because it can cause you side effects, cancer or what. But then writing all this is easier. Okay, so there is no a specific answer. If you say yes, then you give explanation, proper explanation, they can already. Just like that. This is justified. You choose which side you want to stand. Okay. Just like that. I think we will have one more class. Tomorrow. Most likely morning. Morning like 10 to 11. 10 to 11 like that lah. Or maybe 11 to 12 lah. It's like 1 hour class. That one we do polymer latex. Polymer latex. Okay. Can just like that. Bye-bye. Can post the link in Google. I got post just now I got post in Google, in the booster as well. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Good luck. Sui, yes. Okay. Bye-bye. Good luck. Bye-bye.